All right.
Finally doing it.
Yeah, it's about time. It's been too long.
Welcome to Stedfast, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, hello. What is Stedfast?
Well, it's what we've always wanted to do, really. We've always been into cars ever since we met in high school, and we both have 9-to-5s, but we kind of want to branch off on our own and get started working on cars full time and just have fun with it,
Oh yeah, now you're done. Now he's come sit over here with us. Come. Oh, you're stuck. Sit. Good boy.
Good
Now you're
boy.
in the shot. All right, I'm Henry,
And I'm John.
and this is Stedfast. This is our 1969 Firebird project. This is Kylo, and we're here at our garage and happy to bring you guys along for the ride, starting from now.
Yeah. So I guess, this all kind of started back in high school when we first met.
Like 10 years ago now. We're getting old. But we don't have to mention that too much.
Yeah, no, I'd rather not think about it. But we all share the same passion for cars and wanting to get our hands dirty with them. And I know Henry here's got a few years of experience.
I've tinkered.
Yeah, tinkered. A little bit of YouTube University here and there.
Yeah.
But we're very much greenhorns when it comes to all this. But kind of in a sense, just want to show you guys that it doesn't even matter. You don't need to have all these degrees and all this education under your belt. You can
or even a ton of tools or anything. Just go to AutoZone and rent a tool for a day and do what you got to do.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. It's if you have a dream, you want to go get it, right? So you figure it out along the way and you work and that's where we get to in the end. So this is our story. This is our beginning where we want to start.
Let's do it.
Let's do it indeed.
Let's do it. A freshman year of high school, John and I had the same Spanish class. I think we had a few classes together, but Spanish class is the one that really stood out. And I remember that was when the new Camaro was coming out and we were drooling over it. And one day after school, we decided to go to a dealership. And I think that's kind of where our friendship really started.
Yeah.
We went and got test drives, and a salesman's trying to sell a brand new Camaro SS to a couple of freshmen.
Freshman in high school, and this guy was talking about what we wanted to put down and all sorts of stuff. And those guys will do anything,
Yeah,
but
he tried really hard, but at the end of the day, we just wanted the test drive.
Yeah, just wanted to see it. But they were nice enough to let us go for it.
Yeah.
And so we did, and that's really where it went. I think from there, we went to like a Mercedes dealership and started walking around. They didn't bother us too much there because I think they knew right off the bat we were swinging.
We were Mercedes, BMW, Audi, all of them. We went to all the different dealerships and tried to test drive. Most of the time, they just ignored us.
Yeah,
like you're saying.
Yeah. But it was that little. Was it like a Friday evening? Probably. That was like the best. That's where it all started. That's where we all kind of like, oh yeah, like this is.
Yeah, we always talked about it.
This is what we're meant to do.
To one day have our own shop, build a bunch of cars, just have cool cars, go rip around, and we finally have a little tiny shop, 1-car garage, but this is kind of where it's going to start. We're going to build some cars, try to get people along for the ride, watch what we do, and hopefully motivate other people, and then one day buy a big shop somewhere.
Yeah.
And
that's
the goal.
Yeah, go from there, build up our collection,
Yeah. All right, so about a month after we went on all those test drives and just drooling about cars, and I had a little Kia, and then I think you shared a car.
Yeah, I shared my grandpa's 4Runner, 2004 4Runner with my sister. I still drive it to this day. It's mine.
It's a sick car. You've done a lot of mods to it. You gotta show it.
Yeah. Oh, it'll be shown.
Yeah,
it'll be shown.
Sure it will.
Yeah.
We're gonna go off-roading, do all kinds of fun stuff with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got we got a friend who owns a piece of property out in Arizona, and he'll be able to do some cool stuff with us. Let us go out there and rip around. It'll be fun. But after we did all those test drives, I got the opportunity to buy a 1969 Firebird. I got it here, and I still haven't driven it. It's been about 10 years.
Yeah.
It's gone through a lot of different changes, and I've done a ton of work, rewire it, new suspension, all the bumpers and chrome, and started doing some of the interior, but just wait till you see what it looks like now, because it's not that much to look at. It looks nice right here, but if you can't tell, tail lights are missing, all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, the front end looks quite different from the back end.
It doesn't really exist right now.
That is one way to put it, indeed.
Yeah.
One way to put it.
It's not there anymore.
But, yeah, I mean, it's a work in progress, and this is, we want to finally get some
momentum moving.
Yeah.
And I think
bust some knuckles.
We've had a hard time really staying motivated, and it costs a lot of money. And every time we start, we kind of just fall off after a while. So we're starting this channel to keep us accountable. Hopefully we can get some people to comment and keep us moving. And show you guys the whole process. I think one day we want to make this thing like a pro touring muscle car. I always say my goal is to be able to drive it across the country going 100 miles an hour the whole way and not have any issues. So that's a long shot.
Yeah, I mean, you name a car that can do that already.
Yeah,
I don't not sure if there is, but
besides a brand new car. Don't even put that in the comments.
But that's the goal. I mean, that's what you're not going to see a '69 Firebird doing that. So
no.
You want to be able to drive it, 300 miles to the track, rip it on the track, and drive it 300 miles back in the same day, and it works purrs like a kitten the whole time. So,
so let's show you guys what this thing looks like. Let's go. There's a lot of things that need to be done, like this, and like this,
and this, and that, this, and all of this, and that. I think that's it, no?
Oh wait, no. Open that door.
Oh shit.
Yeah, all of this has somewhere to go. Right, so you can tell there's a lot of shit that needs to be done to this car. But that's what this channel is going to be all about. And we need your guys' help to make sure we actually get it done. And we have a website now. It's www.stedfastauto.com. We have tons of merch. Like this thing right here. John's wearing some. We got extras. We'll show them to you right now. They're pretty cool.
Like this. And this. And this one. And this.
All right, well, as you can see, there's a lot of stuff that we got to get started on.
A lot. A lot.
Yeah, it's going to cost a lot of money, but hey, that's what it's all about. Got to stay persistent, keep going, don't give up, and hopefully you guys enjoy watching our future videos of us actually rebuilding it.
Yeah.
And yeah.
If you want to go support the build, got our website, link right here. Also in the description for you.
We got stuff like this.
And this.
And then like this, like this, like this, like this.
Yep.
And yeah, all right. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Stay steadfast.
Stay steadfast.
Peace. All right.